Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to deploy a website using GitHub Pages. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to open your GitHub. Basically, I've opened mine, and there are two ways. Basically, you can either create a new repository and then you can deploy that through GitHub Pages, or you can use an existing repository. So I'm gonna tell you the both. First of all, we are going with the existing repository method, and there are a lot of repositories I have which I have worked on. So I gonna take this one and this weather app. Okay, so we have files. These are some images and an HTML file, a script file, and a cascading style sheet, a CSS file. Okay, so I'm gonna deploy this using GitHub Pages. Now what I have to do is I will go here, I will click here in the settings, and we have opened this. Now navigate here, click here on pages. Okay, so now we have to deploy the website through this. You can select any branch if you have multiple. uh, Also, here we are getting the options like select branch. I have only one, like the main branch. If I have multiple, I will be seeing all those branches here. Now I'll be selecting this main one and the root directory for, we can see, the live website. I'm gonna save it, and GitHub Pages source saved. Now it has saved the source of, we can see, our GitHub Pages website for this weather app. It will take few seconds. I'm gonna refresh it and hopefully we will have the URL of our live website. Okay, so it is taking some time, but after that it will be visible here. Just wait a while and then you can simply refresh the page if you're not getting that. Okay, so I've just refreshed it and I got this. Your site is live at my, we can say, username and github.io, and then the repository name. So I'm gonna click here, visit site, and here is my site. So this is the weather app which I've created, a tiny project. I'm gonna enter any location here, let's say Lahore, and it is showing me the weather of Lahore, we can say. Also we can do any other like Karachi. Okay, and it changed according to that. Also I'm gonna say it very okay, clear sky, humidity, and all this. So this was a tiny project which I have created when I just started the web development, and it's live here on this domain, we can see now. So this is the way you can also make your we can say project, and you can see the project that through GitHub Pages. Also, now let's move on to the second part where we will be creating a new repository and then we will be making it live. For those who do not have a repository, they should click here on new, and we're gonna give any name. We can say um GitHub test website, anything like this is a test website, so that we can view how GitHub pages work in making websites live. So it's like this. I'm gonna make it public for now. Also create repository, add readme on, create repository. Okay, so this is a repository which we have created, and now we can simply create an index file, or we can say any of the files, like to style that index file. We can add CSS file, script file, and many others. So this is the repository which we have created, and now we can add any file, create new file, name your file. I'm gonna name it index.html, and this is the, we can say, content of the files. I'm gonna enter here html tag. Okay, now I'll be adding your head tag, the title tag, and GitHub website test. We can say I'm gonna add here body tag, and I'm gonna add here h1. Hello, welcome to the website. And in PDAC I'm gonna enter some lorem ipsum text, you can say, like you can copy paste it too. So I guess this is it, and we should save it now. Okay, now preview it. Why it is previewing like this? Loading preview. Okay, commit changes, create integration, commit changes. Okay, so this is the HTML file which I've created, and this is the, we can say, text here. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. Let's deploy it now. I will go into the settings, pages, we can say, and main, save. Wait a bit, it will be shown here, or if it is not changed, you can simply refresh it and check this out. Okay, I'm refreshing it. No, it's not shown yet. Okay, let's wait a bit, and then we'll have the URL, hopefully. Okay, so now this is the URL, visit site, and this is our site. Hello, welcome to the website lorem ipsum. So this, these are the two ways through which we can say deploy the website. It's actually one method, we can say, by going here into the pages and selecting a branch and deciding the route and saving that only. It's quite simple, but uh, is that we can choose a repository which was already created, or we can create a new one as well. So it's our choice. Hope you like the video. If there are any questions, do let me below in the comment section, and I'll answer those. Any recommendations for the further videos, they are most welcome. See you in the next video. Bye bye.